Now, what you might have noticed, for all those with the keen eyes, is this thing. This is a pivoting screen, right? You can see that. I could turn it all the way that way. I could push it all the way back, right? Oops. All the way back, right? This thing is also great, guys. I really enjoy this thing. What can I say about it? So the positives, it's very solid. So you don't feel like you're dealing with, again, some sort of flimsy aftermarket crappy thing. It is very solid. I like that it looks OEM. I'll try and just get around to the back over there or over the top. Hopefully you can see that. I'm not sure. It looks OEM. They've used like a grey kind of plastic that matches this sort of stuff. So that looks good there. The other thing is, not only are you tilting left and right, it has lowered the screen, so you can see that it's a lot lower where normally it would be up here a bit more. So it has lowered the screen a bit, and it has tilted it up, right? So it's tilted because it's lowered. It has actually also tilted it upwards towards the driver. So they're the positives of it, right? Now here's the negatives, right? Now no one tells you this for this particular mount. No one's mentioned it anywhere. I discovered it as I was installing it, and that is, it is designed for left-hand drive car only, right? They don't tell you that, right? How do I know that? Now I'll put the photo of it on the screen. You'll see that the mount is actually offset from the center to the right. Now in a left-hand drive car, that offset pushes the screen away from the driver, right? But when your steering wheel is on the right already, and this offset is pushing the screen this way, it actually obscures part of the screen. Now I'll hold the phone exactly where my eyes are and exactly what my eyes are seeing, and you decide, right? This is what I'm seeing. Right, so you can see how this part of the screen is obscured, right? That's not because of the steering wheel. I mean, if I had the normal steering wheel, it'll probably be even worse. It'll cover over here as well, right? So it's not because of the steering wheel, it's because it's actually offset to the right a bit. Now, had they made a left-hand version of this car, had they made a right-hand drive version of this mount, this would be pushed to the left more, right? So it would not be as obscured, right? So you can see how that might be annoying for some people. So that's that. The other thing is, they provided some tools with this kit. Now the problem is, some of those tools were the wrong size, right? Now I've watched some videos where the sizes they needed are in the kit, but my screws were actually different. So I'm not sure if Tesla has actually changed it for Australian or right-hand drive cars, or if the size has changed for all cars after a certain date. The bottom line is, you might need your own tools for this, all right? Yeah. Warranty, I don't think there's an issue with warranty. We just have to understand how warranty actually works. So if you go to Tesla and you say, mate, my left-hand mirror's not working, they're not going to say, mate, you've played with the screen, so we can't cover that on warranty, right? But if you go there, Tesla, and you say, mate, the cable that's coming out of this, or if they say, mate, you've damaged the cable somehow and it's related to this screen, then they'll say, mate, we won't cover that, right? So as long as you haven't done anything that will that links to this screen, I guess, it's not going to impact on your warranty.